Welcome back. Tonight, let's hear the story of a very small hero, born from a wish under the moonlight.
小さい、小さい。
Let's hear it in a sentence.
彼はとても小さい男の子でした。
Issun-boshi was only 1 inch tall, but he had a brave heart. When he grew old enough, he set off for the capital, sailing down the river in a small soup bowl with chopsticks for oars.
川、川。
Let's hear it in a sentence.
お椀の船で川を降りました。
In the capital, he served a noble family and protected their beautiful princess. One night, when a giant red ogre tried to take her away, the tiny boy fought back, using only his needle as a sword.
針、針。
Let's hear it in a sentence.
針の剣で鬼と戦いました。
The frightened ogre fled, dropping a magical golden mallet. The princess picked it up and asked the tiny boy what his deepest wish would be.
願い、願い。
Let's hear it in a sentence.
彼の願いは叶えられました。
With one swing of the mallet, sparkles filled the air, and the tiny boy grew into a tall and handsome young samurai, finally able to stand beside the princess he had protected.
大きい、大きい。
Let's hear it in a sentence.
彼は大きい立派な侍になりました。
No matter how small you may feel tonight, your courage can change everything. Sleep well and let your wishes carry you down a quiet river.
おやすみなさい。